welcome back. Welcome to 2022. Can you believe we are at the start of a brand new year with 31? It's amazing. This year, 2022, I will have been with 31 for 9 years. That is so insane to think about how fast time flies. And time flies really when you're having fun, right? When I look back 9 years ago when I enrolled, I just wanted to be able to take my son to Disney World. That was my goal. I thought if I make my $99 back, that'll be great. But what I really want to do is to make enough money to take him to Disney World. And I worked hard and I was able to do that and so much more with my 31 business. There are so many reasons why ladies join 31, maybe for some extra money, for some girl time, to get your hands on all the products and be the first to know everything. A lot of ladies join to be able to give back, to do fundraisers. I love that. You can build your own business. You can, set different goals. We all enroll with a different goal with 31. And I love hearing all of the stories about how 31 has impacted so many lives. When I think back about all the stories, 31 is interweaved in so much of my life. And I can't imagine my life without 31. So I'd love for you to think about at the start of this new year, what 31 could do for you. Figure out what your why might be. I like to say a strong why is what drives you in this business. Because if you just enroll and you don't really have any plans, it's nothing to you. But when you have a goal of something that you want to achieve, that's when this business can truly work for you and bless your family just like it's blessed mine. So I'd love for you to think about enrolling as a 31 consultant, especially at the beginning of the year. There's no better time right now at the beginning of the year to try something new and just see, right? And then I'll link above my videos. We have 3 different enrollment kits that you can choose from. So the first step I would say is to figure out your why. Like, why would you want to join? What is going to drive you in this business? What do you want to achieve? The second is picking out your enrollment kit. That is so fun. So I'll link above my video on the 3 enrollment kits that you can choose from. So we have a $59 kit, a $99 kit, and a $179 kit. Okay, so I personally would choose the $179 kit. I think that's the best deal and you get the most for your money. And all 3 kits are what I like to call business in a box. They come with catalogs, order forms, of course, all of our top selling products to set you up for success from the very beginning. And if you enroll as a consultant under me, you'll get me to help you. I help my new consultants with their very first launch party. I'll lead you step by step into starting off successfully and starting off strong. So, and then we actually have something new that is starting. Well, I'll kind of back up a little bit. We have our AMP Jumpstart program for new consultants in your first 90 days. You have the option or the ability to earn products just for partying, submitting orders, and working your business. And then we also have something that just started December 31st is Bring a Bestie. So in your first 30 days, you'll receive 2 promo codes to give to friends that want to start a business just like you. And they'll get 20% off their full priced enrollment kit when they join as a consultant under you. And they'll have to do that within your first 30 days of enrolling as a consultant. So it's always fun to do this with a friend, right? If you go and shop for a brand new pair of shoes and you love these shoes so much, you want to share them with your friend, right? You say, I got it from here and this, this and this and this. So think about with 31, you can share this business with your friends and it helps you to get started off strong. So I'll help you with parties, with placing orders and things like that. And then I'll also help you with giving you the words to say to share the business with others. And that helps you as well. So I hope that this year, the start of the new year, you will consider joining 31 as a consultant. So I'm going to link below everything that I talked about here today. You'll see the link to join with me as your sponsor. And you'll see the link to get in touch with me. And you can even just click the link to my 31 website and just read a little bit more about the 31 business. And I am always an open book. So I'd love to chat with you, answer your questions, and see if 31 might be a fit for you. So I hope that you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for tuning in.